I can do this. That's scary, isn't it?
How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble. I'm taking you to Belfast. I live in Belfast. You're always with me in Belfast. So I'm taking you to Torino Cafe Gallery here in Belfast, Royal Avenue. I'm going to put links down below. And they've got an art sale on here today. So, and I'm doing a wee stall. So there you go. Other great artists here too. We're just setting up at the moment. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the links down below for all the other artists here and check them out. And happy days. And also, if you're in Belfast, check out Torino Cafe. I'm going to put the links down below. And that's it. Guys, listen, thanks very much for all your lovely comments and support on the channel. It was a quiet week this week. I got a couple of photographs, and one of the photographs had me laughing because basically I was walking down the street and I seen this image here. And I must admit, I went, hey, what's happening? Now, I'm an open mind type of guy, but I thought it was strange to have it on display. But then I walked around the side and it showed what it really was. So there you go. Always change your perception on something, and reality does change. There you go.
Do we have to do this now?
You have to do it now. They'll pay you money later on.
Oh, right, okay then.
There's money in it.
Yeah, is there? How much?
Yeah, you'll get it when Ireland's free, but never mind that.
Oh, right.
Okay, guys, this guy here, if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have these negatives for this exhibition. He taught me.
Yeah.
He's been my best mate for years. 1986.
86.
He taught me like a ventriloquist dummy here. My hands up his back.
Hands up my back.
And there's a bit of an echo in here. So this guy here, he's been with me through thick and thin, taught me photography.
Try my best.
And now I'm teaching him
ventriloquism. See, he don't. That's so good. See him lips don't even move. That's how good he is. See, look. Amazing.
So basically, this guy here, I'm going to put links down below. Stephen Mullins, check out his Instagram.
Yep, music videos as well.
There's music videos as well. And what else do you do?
What else do I do?
Ventriloquist dummy.
I can do this. That's scary, isn't it?
Why is there no blood? Why is there no blood? There's no blood. Okay, guys. So listen, check out Stephen. As I say, tell you, love this guy here. He's.
See you later.
That's it. See you later.
Bye.
Hey guys, that's it, finished. Just going on for 5 o'clock. Brilliant day. Background, David is the owner. Off Torino Cafe, great guy. Fantastic for him to put this on. So, yep, sold a few framed pictures and a few prints. Happy days, we're here again. And it's just great to be back out on the road again. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I really appreciate all your guys shouting at us there. Guys, I appreciate all your kind comments and support in the channel. And thanks very much. And if you get a chance, check out www.rambleswithmycamera.com. I've got a load of photographs up there for sale, and I'm going to be keeping updating, and I'm going to be putting on more next week. But have a look, see if anything resonates with you, and I'll catch you in the next video. So there you go. If you're ever in Belfast, Torino Cafe, Royal Avenue, gallery space, a lot of artwork always on, lovely cup of coffee. And you can get a wee bit of food here too, so check it out. See you later, guys. I'll put all the links down below to the other guys who was taking part in this. Sanya's love from Belfast.